Hey guys, William Murphy here, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. And I'm here at Manor Park Classics for their Platinum auction, and I found two cards in particular that I really liked, so I've done a quick video of them. I've filmed the auctions and hopefully you enjoy this. So the second car that I've picked out is this amazing BMW 3.0 CSi. It's been restored and a bit of a resto mod. Some lovely split rim BBS wheels. The interior is to die for, and do you know what? The colour is pretty impressive to say the least as well. There's loads of stuff going on in the management, but yeah, this is a truly remarkable car that hopefully is going to fetch good money. So let's have a look at the fact sheet. This is a 1973 BMW 3.0 CSi. And it's an absolute German legend. The estimated value is between £70,000 and £80,000. So let's see what happens at the auction, and hopefully someone goes away a very happy person with this absolutely stunning BMW. Wow.
No idea what you pay for it. It's cheap.
It's a superstar of a car. It's something very special. You won't find another one. It's a 3-litre with a manual option. They are very rare. And for me, it just screams 70s style, sophistication, and sex. Yeah, I said it, Tom, the S word.
Right then, let's start moving on. Anyone interested, starting off today on the BMW at £50,000. It seems reasonable to me. Anyone interested at £50,000? Anyone like to start me off? We're going to go with your bid there then. At £34,000 we start. Online bid at £34,000 now. At £34,000 is the bid. At 34, 36,000 now. At 36. At £36,000 is the bid at 36,000. 38,000. At 38,000 now. At £38,000 we're bid. At 38,40 is bid now back in at £40,000. At 40,002. At 42,000. At 42,42. At £42,000 we're bid. 44 back in. At £44,000 we're bid now at 44,000. At 44, 46, thank you again. £46,000 we're bid. At 46,000 is the bid now at 46. At 46,000 is the bid. At £46,000, would you like to go 48? At £46,000 is the bid then at 46,000. I'll take 47 from this point. Would you like to come into the thousands? At 46,000 is bid. 47 is bid now at 47,000. At £47,000 will be online bid at 47. At 47,000 is the bid here, online review at £47,000. Would anyone else like to come in for 48? At 47,000. At 47,47. At £47,000 is the bid now at 47. We've finished and done here at just £47,000. 48,000, thank you. At £48,000 we're bid. At £48,000 is the bid now at 48. Next bid is 49 if you're coming back in. At £48,000, gentleman's bid here. At £48,000 is the bid. At 48,000 now. Would you like to go 49? At 48, 49 they do. Thank you very much online. You're in at £49,000. Your next bid is 50 if you're coming back in. At £49,000 is the bid. At 49. At £49,000 are we finished and done here then at £49,000. At 49,000 then coming in for one more. At 49, thinking about it. At £49,000 is the bid. At 49,000, I'll help you out. What about 49,500? At £49,000. At 49,000, finished and done then. With the online bid here, we're going to start counting it down. At £49,000 online bid has it hit. 49.5. I thought that might tempt you back in. At 49,005. At 49,500 online bidder, would you like to go 50? At 49,500 we are in. At 49,005. At 49,500 are we finished and done then online? At 49,500 with the gentleman here. At 49,500, I'm going to count it down. At 49,500, it goes once. At 49,500, 50,000 now back online. Thanking you. At 50,000 with our online bidder and £50,000. At 50,000, 50,000. At £50,000 we did it online. At £50,000 we have bid down to 50,000. Now we finished and done here. At £50,000, your last chance. And fair warning then. At £50,000 it's going to go once. It's going to go twice. At 50,005 back in at 50,005. At 50,500 we're bid. At 50,005. At 50,500. I'm looking for you now online at £50,500. Would you like to go 51? At 50,500 online it's your turn. At 50,500 then once. At 50,500 then twice. Make no mistake, online bidder, you're out at 50,500. Finishing up then at £50,500. Provisioning with you, sir, 220. Thank you very much, 220.
Well, unfortunately, this one here didn't actually sell. The hammer went down, the reserve wasn't met, and it lives with the current owner for another day. So, yeah, lovely car, which unfortunately wasn't meant to be today. So, hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, and you do consider wanting to own something like this, then why not check out Manor Park Classics, check out their current auctions, upcoming auctions, and maybe you can put a sneaky bid and be the proud new owner of this stunning BMW 3SI. Lovely car. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Until next time, see you later.